Yesterday we needed a couple things from the grocery store, so I popped in and we only needed 4 or 5 things. So I went in as I normally do and I shopped all the sale prices, and still leaving that store with only grabbing 4 or 5 things, I spent $60. And we're coming to the point where a lot of my money saving techniques just aren't working anymore, and I don't think this is sustainable at this rate. We've gone from $60 being able to, oh bless you, bless you. Just under 5 years ago, for $60 I could have bought an abundance of fresh fruit and vegetables. Now we're living mostly, until the garden starts up, a lot of frozen vegetables, which, don't get me wrong, I'm glad that we can still afford those, but it's just not the same. And for anyone that makes less money than us, I don't know how they're able to even do it. I would assume a lot of the food banks here in Canada are probably just busy. And I would assume that a lot of families are having to rely on those services right now, and it's just not getting any better. It seems as the year goes on, it's just getting worse. And when I was walking through the store, I noticed that they create an illusion of, look at how many deals we have this week. There's so many red tag deals and everything. But if you really remember and you look at those deals, the prices that are listed as sale prices are still a highly inflated price, so you're not really getting a deal. And I think we've gone so far into inflation now that we forget what the original price of these items were. So it's just a trick. And it just floors me that there's so many people that don't see this. They have their blinders up and they don't see where this is going. So if our garden doesn't take this year, I don't know how we're going to be able to afford to feed a family of 4 for the next year. That's all. Here you go. Yeah, I know. Me too.